Okay, today I will make you understand in very easy way the regression line and the mean line. We have two type of lines when we run the regression model in our thesis. One line is called regression line and second line is called mean line or average line. What is this? For example, in regression, always you have two variables. One is independent variable and one is dependent variable. One is IV and second one is DV. And IV is always on x-axis while DV is always on y-axis. And independent variable always show impact, effect or influence. Independent variable always show effect, impact or influence in the dependent variable. So if your thesis has the word impact or the word effect or the word influence in your research title or in your research objectives or in your research hypothesis, if you have these three words, effect, impact or influence, then you must run the regression test. You don't need to run the t-test or ANOVA or correlation. You must need the regression test. After explaining this, I will come to the point what is a regression line and what is mean line. This is x-axis the independent variable and this is the y-axis the dependent variable. Our independent variable on x-axis is experience of an employee and the dependent variable on y-axis is salary. So independent variable is experience of an employee while the dependent variable is salary of an employee. Now we have this data points. What we will do now, I will let you know what is the regression line and what is the mean line. For example, this is the experience, your independent variable, and this is the salary, the dependent variable, and we have this kind of data. This is the data point. Now if for example you put a line which is average or which is mean, then this is the line which is called mean line. This is the line which is called mean line. Please understand, this is the line which is called mean line. While you have another line which can be called as the regression line, and the regression line is this line. This is the regression line. So now we have two types of lines in the regression model. One is mean line, which is shown by the black color. It passes through the most of the data points, and another is the regression line which is shown by the red color. It passes through the best fit. It is called best fit line. I hope you understand this. There are two types of lines, regression line and mean line. Thank you so much.